All right, day number 28. Let's go. So today, going into the day, New York Open was around this line right here, a little bit below. I saw that we tapped the end of this fair value gap, so that should sort of produce a reaction, maybe into this order block, into this daily order block right here. So my initial thesis was maybe we tap this, then we go lower, then I look for shorts. The 12 hour also had this order block right here, so that was a line. However, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15, the 5, and the 1 were all bullish. So I'll go into this trade in a little bit. So once I see the 5 minute bullish and the first few minutes of the session passing by, I see this setup right here where we got this order block, then we got to push higher. We break the structure, so technically the low should be put above this order block if I am correct on my thesis of going bullish, because 4 hour, 1 hour, 15, 5, and 1 minute was bullish, so I thought there's a good chance we sweep up these highs. So I entered this trade and it goes immediately to drawdown. If we look at the 1 minute, you can see that I entered here somewhere. Yeah, here. And it goes immediately into drawdown, then price pushes higher. And I don't know what it was, but I started to think, why am I longing a daily order block or a 12-hour order block? But then again, on the other side, this was my debate through this 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. But then again, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, the 15, and the 1 minute were telling me that we were bullish. So the 1 minute, anything from here to here is technically a higher low, which we set it up the higher low here. So I just said, well, everything looks bullish except the daily and the 12 hours, so it makes sense. But at the same time, this could easily snap back, and seeing like this candle, like this could be just like a little fake out, and then we'll snap back and it goes to stop loss. So I don't know what to make of this trade, so I decided to exit at break even. Um, was it in plan? I don't know. Was it not in plan? I also don't know. I know I've been doing like 4 hour and 1 hour are bearish, but if everything is bullish, like the daily and the 12 hour is bullish, I'll take longs and I'll consider that in plan. But here, I think the case was very much different. So as soon as I close it, like I close it here, and immediately the price pumps up. Like I closed it, and then price just shoots up straight away and breaks this high, which would have made me bullish and probably hold it for a little longer. And then price just breaks that high, and I'm thinking, why did I close the trade? Everything was telling me bullish except the daily and the 12 hour. We could easily just sweep these highs to then go lower. So why did I close the trade? So regret came up, and from this point on in time, I started to become a little bit more impatient and a little bit more emotional. Um, Market then front runs like the level and then goes back down, and now you might be thinking, well, it would have not hit your TP anyways and went to stop loss, so what do I have to worry about? Well, yes, I would agree, but I have this tendency to, when the price is very close to my target, I just take profits. For example, if I was here in this trade, I would just take profits like here or a bit higher and then just be done with my day. I don't mind missing out on a few extra hours. So this happened, and I become, really upset and regretful, not because it went to my TP, but because I exited the trade earlier. And this is not a habit. This is a habit, I mean, that I've been trying to get rid of. Um, I think I got rid of it, but I didn't. If you can see, like this past week was really really nice. I basically just stick with the plan, and the only thing I did was trailing the stop loss. So this was like my only mistake this week. So I guess that's progress, but still very annoying. So I become a little bit emotional after that. And then if you look at the 5 minute, we break this low right here, and then we tap these lows, we sweep this liquidity, and then we go back up. And at this point, I'm thinking, okay, maybe this is just consolidation. Is it? Um, but we're bullish. Like technically, the 5 minute is bullish. The 15 had a really nice reaction from this fair value gap right here, so we should go higher, right? So I went down to the 1 minute and I take trade here. But this trade to me was not really clear. Like I didn't have conviction on this trade, and I entered it based on emotions rather than anything else. So soon as we get this push down and we start, just ranging around, like my stop loss was not really protected. Well, yeah, you got these lows right here, and it was below this wick, but like I think the correct stop loss would have been like this low, but that would have not given me a good risk to reward. So I forced it, put the stop loss here, and took the trade. And I was very quick to recognize this. Like I don't care if this trade goes to my CP or not. I was very quick to realize this, and I just got out early. And yeah, like I guess like this was well planned, even though it's going to my TP. This would have not been in plan. So yeah, I guess that's my day of trades. Um, Not my best day, but we've been improving this last couple of 2 weeks. We got the account at, well, yeah, I made this profit right here from this move because I sold a bit higher. So this is not really significant. Um, One more thing, while we were going down here, and I thought like I entered here with 3 contracts, right? So I entered here with 3 contracts, and this is $700, and I'm thinking, shit, if I just let this run and take TP, sure I would take a little bit less, but I would have been near the 52,000. And for anyone that trades Apex, like the payout is at 52,600. So that was also one of the things why I exited this trade here, because I was chasing the money. I wanted that money. So if you go here, I enter with half risk because that's my rules. Even if it's 200, I just wanted money. I just wanted to chase the money. So that was also another thing that I was quick to realize, and I just exited. So overall, not my best day. I got out here nicely. This was bad execution. I'm gonna journal it, and yeah, quick day today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you tomorrow for day number 29.